Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed ratios. For the sake of absentees, just first 2 minutes I will revise ratios. Main points we will revise. A ratio is a comparison of the sizes of two or more quantities of the same kind by division. Okay, same kind in the sense they should have same units. If A and B are two quantities of same kind, that is in same units, then the fraction A by B is called ratio of A to B. It is written as A is to B series. So, A the ratio of A to B, we write it as A divided by B or A is to B. Next one, in the ratio A is to B, A is called first term or antecedent, B is called second term or consequent. Okay, na? Next one, the compounded ratio of A is to B and C is to D is what? AC is to BD. AC is to BD. Next one, the ratio compounded of itself is called duplicate ratio. What is that? A square is to B square. So next one, triplicate ratio of A is to B is what? A cube is to B cube. For any ratio A is to B, the inverse ratio is what? B is to A. Subduplicate ratio of A is to B is what? Root A is to root B. Subtriplicate ratio is what? Cube root of A is to cube root of B. Continued ratio, it is the relation between the magnitudes of three or more quantities of the same kind. The continued ratio of three similar quantities A, B, C is written as A is to B is to C. These are the simple topics in ratios. Now let us start proportion. In this, what we are going to learn is what is proportion and properties of proportion and how to use the properties. These things we are going to discuss in this class. So here, proportion. What is proportion? First we will see now. So proportion, see here, an equality of two ratios. See here, I am underlining here, an equality of two ratios is called a proportion. Four quantities A, B, C, D are said to be in proportion if A is to B is equal to C is to D. So this we write it as A is to B is as. This we have to read it as is as. But the symbol is, see here, this is the symbol. This you have to read it as is as. Is as. A is to B is as C is to D. That is, if A by B equal to C by D, or if AD equal to BC, we say that two ratios are in proportion. Okay, now see here, in ratio terms must be of same kind. Understood? But whereas here four quantities A, B, C, D are called here terms of the proportion. A, B, C and D are called respectively first, second and third, fourth terms. First and fourth terms are called extremes and second and third terms are called means or middle terms. So first A and D are called extreme terms or extremes. I repeat, middle terms, second and third terms are called means or middle terms. See here, another one is what is fourth proportion. So one what is fourth proportion? See here, A is to B equal to C is to D, then D is called fourth proportional. I repeat, if two ratios are equal, A is to B equal to C is to D, then D is called fourth proportional. Next one, if A is to B is equal to C is to D, then we write it as A by B is equal to C by D. If you cross multiply, what you will get? AD equal to BC. So A and D are what? Extreme terms. B and C are called what? Middle terms. So here what we can say, product of extremes is equal to product of means, product of means. So this rule AD is equal to BC we wrote now. This rule is called cross product rule. What we say? Cross product rule. Now three quantities A, B, C of the same kind are said to be continuous. A, B, C of the same kind are said to be in continuous proportion. In this case, what we write, A by B is equal to B by C. I repeat, A, B, C, three are of same kind. That means they are in the same units. Then if A by B equal to B by C, then we say that they are in continued proportion. In this case, if you apply cross multiplication, what we can write, B square is equal to AC. Okay now. So if B square is equal to AC is then in this what we can write, B is equal to square root of AC. Okay. This B is called mean proportional. What we say? Mean proportional between A and C. So A is called first proportional, C is called third proportional. Try to understand. If A, B, C are, are of same kind, three are of same kind, if A is to B equal to B is to C, or A by B equal to B by C, then we say that A, B, C are in continuous proportion. In this case, B square is equal to AC, B equal to root AC. That B is called mean proportional between A and C. A is called first proportional, C is called third proportional. Understood? So now, now when three or more numbers are related, that the ratio of first to the second, the ratio to the second to the third, third to the fourth, if and so on, etc. If all are equal, the numbers are said to be in continued proportion. See what is given here, x by y is equal to y by z is equal to z by w is equal to w by p equal to p by q and so on. Then we say that x, y, z, w, p and q and so on. These are in continued proportion. Continued proportion. For example, I will give a small example. So 1 is to 2. What is its value? 1 by 2, 0.5. 2 by 4, what is its value? 1 by 2, 0.5 or not? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. These are in continued proportion or not? Because 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 equal to 4 by 8 is equal to 8 by 16 and equal to 16 by 32 and so on or not? That is why they are in continued proportion. So one more important point here. In ratio A is to B, both quantities must be of the same kind. Isn't it? In a ratio, A and B both are of same kind. While in proportion, A is to B equal to C is to D, all the four quantities need not be of the same type. Why? What is the reason? Because the first two quantities should be of the same kind and the last two quantities should be of the same kind, they said. Why? What is the reason here? I will explain. See, you take 2 kgs of rice, 4 kgs of rice. Can you compare these two? 2 kgs of rice, 4 kgs of rice. You can compare. What is the ratio? 2 by 4. 1 is to 2. Now, another one I am comparing. 3 liters of oil, 6 liters of oil. What is the ratio here? 1 is to 2. Now tell me, are they same or not? 1 is to 2, 1 is to 2, both are same or not? Because we cancelled kgs and liters. Both ratios are equal. So what I can write here, 2 kgs is to 4 kgs is equal to 3 liters is to 6 liters. Can you write it or not? So in proportion, what is the condition now? I'll explain once again. First two terms must be of same kind. Last two terms, C and D are there, na? They must be of same kind. Understood? A is to B is equal to C is to D. In this, A and B must have same units. C and D must have same units. They need not be the same units as in first one. Here in my example, in first one I took kgs, in second one I took liters. You can take any one. Another example, let us take 30 kgs is to 40 kgs. What is the ratio? 3 is to 4. Another one, 60 liters is to 60 liters is to some other one. 3 is to 4 we want, na? So you can say 80 liters. What is the ratio here? 3 is to 4. Are they same or not? So 30 kgs is to 40 kgs is equal to 60 liters is to 80 liters. So what did you understand from this? In proportion, all four quantities need not have same units, but first two terms must have same units, last two terms must have same units. That is the important point here. Now let us start here, properties of proportion. So what is proportion? As I said, what is proportion, Anna? The equality of two ratios. The terms you take, A is to B equal to C is to D. Here we have some properties. What is first property? If A is to B equal to C is to D, then AD equal to BC. AD equal to BC. This is by which property? Cross multiplication. See here. Why? Because A by B is equal to C by D. Cross multiply like this. AD is equal to BC. That is why this we say that it is cross multiplication property. What property, Nana? Cross multiplication property. So coming to next one, if A is to B equal to C is to D, then B is to A equal to D is to C. Just we reversed the terms. A is to B is equal to C is to D. That implies change first term as second term as first term. B is to A equal to D is to C. This is called invertendo. What we say? Invertendo. So third property is alternando. Alternando what we do? A is to B equal to C is to D, meaning what? What is the meaning of that? A by B equal to C by D. Can you write it as AD equal to BC by cross multiplication rule? Can you write it or not? Now what I am going to do is, you divide AD equal to BC both sides by CD. AD by CD is equal to BC by CD. What will cancel, Nana, here? DD cancel. Here CC cancel. What you got is A by C equal to D by D. So this property here also, if you apply product of extremes is equal to product of middle terms, here also you got AD equal to BC only. Same result you got. So here what we did, we altered. That is why this property is called alternando. Denominator, first denominator and second numerator we altered. That is why it is alternando. This property is alternando. Next one is componendo. So what is componendo? Let us see. A is to B is equal to what? A is to B is equal to what we took? C is to D. A is to B equal to 1 minute. A is to B is equal to C is to D. What does it mean? A by B equal to C by D. Add 1 on both sides, then what will happen? A by B plus 1 is equal to C by D plus 1. Isn't it? Take LCM both sides, what you will get? B LCM here left hand side, A plus B by B equal to here D LCM C plus D by D. So what we can write it now? A plus B is to B equal to C plus D is to D. D kada? This is D. So this is called componendo. What we say? Componendo. Next one, dividendo. Simply subtract nana here. If you subtract here, this will become minus 1. Here also, if you subtract, will become minus 1. So then again this will become A minus B, A minus B by B equal to C minus D by D. Then again it will become A, first one is A minus B is to B equal to C minus D is to D. Okay na? This is called dividendo. This is called dividendo. If you apply both componendo and dividendo together, so what we can write? What is first one? From componendo what we got? A plus B by B equal to C plus D by D. Dividendo what we got? A minus B by B equal to C minus D by D, we got it. So now what we have to do? Divide both. So first one is say equation 1, second one is equation 2. So dividing equation 1 by equation 2, what you will get? A plus B by B by A minus B by B. B will get cancel or not? Outside what is there? Right hand side, C plus D by D by C minus D by D. D cancel or not? So what answer you got it here? A plus B by A plus B by A minus B equal to C plus D by C minus D. So ratio format, if you write A plus B is to A minus B equal to C plus D is to C minus D. So what we say? This is componendo and dividendo. We applied componendo as well as dividendo. Together we applied. That is why it is called componendo dividendo. So next one is addendo. In addendo, so here you see, suppose A by B equal to C by D equal to E by F and so on. Ratios are equal. Some ratios are equal. If you add all numerators, if you add all denominators, the new ratio is also equal to the given ratio. That means here A by B equal to C by D equal to E by F and so on, which is equal to A plus C plus E plus how many numerators are there? All those numerators by sum of all denominators B plus D plus F plus and so on. All these ratios are equal. Simply here proof is not required, just remember it. Okay na? Let me give one example. 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 4. Is it equal to 1 plus 2 by 2 plus 4? What is its value? 1 plus 2? 3. 2 in 2 plus 4 is how much? 6. 3 by 6 also equal to 1 by 2 or not? So what we can write here, 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 4 equal to 1 plus 2 by 2 plus 4, which is equal to 3 by 6. So this is the application of addendo. Okay, na? Next, subtrahendo. What is subtrahendo? Let us see. In subtrahendo, you subtract all numerators and all denominators. For example, first let me show one example. 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 4. Nana. Same example I am taking. Can you write these two ratios are equal to 1 minus 2 by 2 minus 4? What is 1 minus 2? Minus 1. What is 2 minus 4? So minus 1 by minus 2. Can you cancel minus minus? Again what you got? So is it equal to 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 4 or not? Yes. Similarly, if A by B equal to C by D equal to E by F is equal to and so on, all are equal to, all ratios are equal to A minus C minus E minus and so on. How many numerators are, first terms are there? All those first terms subtract, minus minus keep, by B minus D minus F minus and so on. All are equal. This property is called subtrahendo. See here, this property is eighth property, subtrahendo. So let us recall once again. What is first property, Nana? What is first property here? Component. What is not component of dividend? Cross multiplication. First property is what? Cross multiplication. See here, this is cross multiplication. Okay, now second one is what? Invertendo. Third one is what? Alternando. Fourth one is what? Componendo. Fifth one is what? Dividendo. Sixth one is what? Componendo and dividendo. Seventh one is what? Addendo. Eighth one is what? Subtrahendo. Okay, now these are the properties. Let us see example 2. This problem is little bit important in examination point of view, public examination point of view important. What is given here? A by 3 equal to B by 4 equal to C by 7. Then prove that A plus B plus C by C equal to 2. Okay, this value they asked. Yesterday, similar models, I said degrees, equal degrees of numerator, equal degree of denominator. A plus B plus C, all are having linear power, one power 1 or not? A power 1, B power 1, C power 1, denominator C power also 1. So both are numerator, denominator, both degrees are same, 1 1 only. That is why we say that it is homogeneous. You can say homogeneous. That is why you can substitute direct values. If you substitute direct values, what we will get? 3 plus 4 plus 7 by C value 7. So 7 plus 7 how much? 14. 14 by 7 is what? 2. Answer 2, got it or not? So this is one of the important question. Remember this. These model questions. Okay, na? Next one. This is the cost price and selling price model. So let us see this problem also. See here what is given. See, a dealer mixes tea costing 6 rupees 92 paisa per kg. Mixes tea costing 6 rupees 92 paisa per kg with tea costing 7 rupees 77 paisa per kg and sells the mixture, means tea powder. You have to understand it as tea powder. A dealer is selling two types of tea powders. First one cost 6 rupees 92 paisa, second one cost 7 rupees 77 paisa. He mixed both and he mixed it and sells the mixture at 8 rupees 80 paisa per kg and earns a profit of 7.5% on his sale price. In what proportion does he mix them? This is question. So here question is, first let us find the cost price CP of the mixture. If SP is 100 rupees, what is the profit, Nana? What is the profit? If selling price is 100, what is profit? 7.5, 17.5, sorry, 17.5. So what is cost price? 100 minus 17.5. And the original cost price will become 82.5. That means 82.5 you convert into improper fraction 165 by 2 rupees. Okay, na? 82.5 rupees. Remember that. If SP is selling price is 8 rupees 80 paisa, CP is 165 into 8 rupees 80 paisa divided by 2 into 100. So from this what you got? Did you understand this step or not? Here for every 100, what is the CP, Nana? 165 by 2, 82 and of rupees. If SP is 8 rupees 80 paisa selling price, cost price will become 165 by 2. I repeat, 165 by 2 into 8.80 by 100. If you use calculator, you will get 7 rupees 26 paisa. 7 rupees 26 paisa. So CP of the mixture is, and the cost price of the mixture, how much it is? 7 rupees 26 paisa. Now second difference, profit by selling 1 kg of second kind. How much profit? At the rate of 7 rupees 26 paisa. Original 7 rupees 77. Where you got 7 rupees 77? Here they gave. Second type, what is the cost? 7 rupees 77 paisa minus 7 rupees 76 paisa. In second one, difference is 51 paisa. In first one, difference is, first type is 6 rupees 92 paisa kada each kg. There what you got? Difference 34 paisa. Okay. So we have to mix the two kinds in such a ratio that the amount of profit in first case must balance the amount of loss in the second case. So hence required ratio is equal to second difference minus first difference. Second difference, what is it? 51 paisa. First difference is what? 34 paisa. So 51 is to 34. If you simplify with the 7, if you cancel with the 17, 17 3s are 17 2s are. So what is answer? 3 is to 2. 3 is to 2. Once again I will explain this problem after completion of 1B exercise, because whenever mixture problems are there, along with those problems once again I will explain similar type problems. So don't worry. Now let us see exercise 1B. The fourth proportional to 4, 6, 8. Fourth proportional to 4, 6, 8. What is fourth proportional, Anna? How will you find out fourth proportional? Formula, what is formula? D is equal to AD is equal to BC, right? So D is equal to BC by A. BC by A. What is A here? 4. What is B? What is C? 8. What is formula? D is equal to BC by A. Substitute BC by A into 8 by 4. 2 2s are 2 3s are. 2 1s are 2 4s are. So what is answer? 3 4s are equal to 12 or not? Shall I write on whiteboard? See, once again I will write fourth proportional of 4 6 8. So mathematically how will you write? 4 is to 6 is equal to 8 is to x, say fourth proportional x. So product of extreme terms is equal to product of means. That means 4x is equal to middle terms. Product of middle terms is what? 6 into 8. So x is equal to what? 6 into 8 by 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are 6 twos are 12. So fourth proportional is what? 12. So you can say x or d also. If you get any confusion, you can write d, because we used a is to b equal to c is to d. That is why. Okay, now. So this is first question. Let us see second question. Second question, what is it? The third proportional to 12 and 18. 12 and 18. Third proportional. Amma, third proportional, how will you find none? 12, 18, C. This A, B, C are in continued proportion or continuous proportion. Okay, na? Continuous proportion meaning what? A by B equal to B by C or not? A by B equal to B by C or not? So that means what we can write? 12 by 18 is equal to 18 by C. What we can write? C is equal to 18 into 18 by 12. 2s are 6 3s are. 2 1s are 2 9s are. 27 answer or not? So what is third proportional? B. Option B correct. First question option what? A correct. Option A correct. Any doubt in second question? If A, B, C are in continuous proportion, then A by B equal to B by C. That what we said, B square equal to AC, B equal to root AC. B is called mean proportional, A is called first proportional, C is called third proportional. Understood? Question number 3. Let us see question number 3. Mean proportional between 25 and 81. Mean proportional between 25 and 81. Amma, what is mean proportional? B equal to what? Root AC. So here B equal to root AC means root 25 into 81. 5 into 9. 45 or not? So answer is 45. 45, where is it? In which option it is there? C option it is there. So option C correct. Question number 4. Fourth question, see once. The number which has same ratio to 26, that 6 has to 13. This, let us see this question. So the number which has the same ratio to 26, that means A is to 26 is equal to 6 is to 13. So what does it mean? A by 26 is equal to 6 by 13. 13 ones are 13 twos are. Denominators cancel. Cross multiply. A is equal to what? 12. A is equal to 12. So what is our answer? Required answer? See, none is there. So at none you write it. 12. Where none is written, there you write 12. Okay, na? That is answer. Any doubt? Girls, any doubt? Next, fifth one. Boys, any doubt in this question? No, next. Next question. Fourth proportional to 2a comma a square comma c. I will show here fourth proportional to 2a comma a square comma c. So see this question. What is fourth proportional? D equal to what? D equal to what? BC by A. Okay, so D is equal to, direct answer I am writing, 2a is to a square is equal to c is to x. Take the meaning, fourth proportional meaning same or not? So that means x is equal to what? A square c by 2a. A square cancel. So what is answer? AC by 2. Where it is AC by 2? Option A. Option A correct. Next, sixth one. See question number 6, what is it? 4 numbers 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 6 are in proportional. Then x is equal to. What does it mean? See, 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 5 is to 1 by x. Listen, Nana, Vinandi. So what we write, product of midterms is equal to product of extreme terms. What will happen? See here, 1 by 2x is equal to 1 by 15. Numerators are same. Equate denominators, 2x is equal to 15. X is equal to what? 15 by 2. X is equal to 15 by 2. So answer is 15 by 2. So it is option C. Option C correct. Question number 7. Mean proportional between, I will show the question here. Mean proportional between 12x square and 27y square. 12x square and 27y square. So mean proportional, Nana. What is B? Root AC. If A, B, C are in continuous proportion, B is equal to what? B equal to root AC. B equal to root AC means B equal to root over 12x square in 27y square. 12 can be written as 4 3s are 12. 27 you can write it as 9 3s are into x square y square under root. Root 4 can be written as 2. 3 3 2 times it is there. 3 3s are 9. 9 into 9 2 times it is there. 1 9 you take. X square under root x. Y square under root y. So what is answer now? 18xy. 18xy, where it is? Option A. Option A correct. Option A correct. Question number 8. 8th question I will show you. If A is equal to B by 2 equal to C by 5, then A is to B is to C is equal to. Question number 8. A is equal to B by 2 equal to C by 5. Then A is to B is to C is equal to. Can you tell me what is its answer directly? A stands for A by 1, right? So what is answer, Nana? 1 is to 2 is to 5. 1 is to 2 is to 5. It is option C. Okay, na? Option C. Question number 9. Question number 9. A by 3 is equal to B by 4 is equal to C by C by 7. C by 7. Then ఈ మోడల్ ప్రాబ్లం example we discussed a plus b plus c by c. Direct answer, tell me. 3 plus 4 plus 7 by 7. What is answer? 14 by 7. 2. Answer 2. The example question and 9th question both are repeated. So here option is C. C option correct. Question number 10. P by Q is equal to R by S is equal to 2.5 by 1.5. Then the value of PS is to QR. PS is to QR. Directly substitute values. PS. P is what? 2.5. S is what? 1.5 is to. Q stands for 1.5. R stands for 2.5. Both are same or not? So that you can write it as 1 is to 1. 1 is to 1 in which option it is there? B. Option B correct, Nana. Option B. Question number 11. Are you copying? You write? When? While doing, you also do it. Then only you will get that fastness, speed. Question number 11. 11th question I will show you here. x is to y equal to z is to w equal to 2.5 is to 1.5. Then the value of x plus z by y plus w. Let us see this value. Question number 11, x is to y is equal to z is to w equal to 2.5 is to 1.5. Then x plus z by y plus w. Directly substitute values. Nana, what is x value? 2.5. What is z value? 2.5. Z value what? 1.5. By y value? Y value what? 1.5. W value 1.5. Z value also 2.5. 2.5 plus 2.5 how much? 5. 1.5 plus 1.5 how much? 3. So what is answer? 5 by 3. 5 by 3. Which option it is there? Option C. Option C correct. Option C correct. So question number 12. 5x minus 3y by 5y minus 3x is equal to 3 by 4. So then the value of x is to y, then x is to y is equal to, this is question here. Now how will you find x is to y? Cross multiply. By cross multiplication. By cross multiplication, what we write? 4 into 5x minus 3y is equal to 3 into 5y minus 3x. That implies 20x minus 12y is equal to 15y minus 9x. X terms write in left hand side. 20x plus 9x is equal to 15y plus 12y. 29x is equal to 27y. What does it implies? X is to y or x by y is equal to 27 by 29. That implies x is to y is equal to 27 is to 29. Which option it is there? None. So option D correct. Option D correct. At none you write this answer. 27 is to 29, write it. Okay na? Understood boys? Just cross multiply and x terms write in left hand side, y terms write in right hand side. Then write x by y value. 13th question. Question number 13. A is to B equal to 3 is to 2. B is to C equal to, B is to C is equal to 3 is to 5. Then A is to B is to C they asked. In first one, second term is what? 3 is to 2. What is second term, amma? Consequent one? 2. In second ratio, what is antecedent first term? 3. These two must be same. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? 6. So, LCM by second term in first ratio. 6 by 2 is what? 3. So, you can't multiply 3 with a single term. You multiply, you have to multiply both terms. That is why in first ratio you multiply with 3, second ratio you multiply with 2. So multiply first one with 3, second one with 2. Then what will happen? 9 is to 6, A is to B equal to. Second one what? B is to C equal to what? C is to 10. So now B both are same or not? 6, 6 got it or not? So what does it implies? A is to B is to C equal to 9 is to 6 is to 10. Which option it is correct? Option A correct. Option A correct. Understood? Always Remember, you have to answer the question within 1 minute, not even 1 minute, less than 50 seconds. ఎంత ఫాస్ట్గా చేయగలిగితే మీకు అక్కడ ఎగ్జామ్లో అన్ని కరెక్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎక్కువ అటెంప్ట్ చేయగలరు, నెగిటివ్ మార్క్స్ లేకుండా ఉంటాయి. చేస్తుండాలి, టైం వేస్ట్ చేయొద్దు. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 14. Question number 14, x by 2 equal to y by 3 is equal to z by 7. Question number 14 I will show in this book also. See, this is question number 14. This question I am solving. Directly substitute x, y, z values 2x minus 5y plus 4z by 2y. Degree of numerator equal to degree of denominator or none. So directly substitute values, nana. If you substitute, what you will get? 4, 2 2s are 4, 5 3s are 15, 4 7s are 28 plus 28 by 2y, 2 3s are 6. So 32 minus 15. 32 minus 15 is how much? 17 by 6. 17 by 6, option D correct. Option D correct. Next, question number 15. 15th one, x is to y is equal to 2 is to 3. Y is to z is equal to 4 is to 3. Y is to z. X is to y is to z they asked. We did similar problem. X is to y is equal to 2 is to 3. Y is to z is equal to 4 is to 3. 4 3s are 12. LCM is 12. LCM by first in first ratio second term. 12 by 3 is 4. Multiply first ratio with 4. Second one, since LCM is 12, 12 by first term. 12 by 4, 3. So multiply second ratio with 3. So that means 8 is to 12. Second one it will become 12 is to 9. Therefore x is to y is to z is equal to 18 is to 12 is to 9. So option is D. Option D correct. 15th one, division of rupees 750 into 3 parts. The ratio 4 is to 5 is to 6. 750 rupees you have to divide in the ratio 4 is to 5 is to 6. This ratio we have to divide. Let us suppose that each parts are 4x, 5x, 6x. Sum of these parts is equal to 750. So 15x is equal to 750. X is equal to 750 by 15. 15 ones are 15 5s are 75. What is answer? X is equal to 50. So 4x is equal to what? 4 into 50, 200. 5x is equal to 5 into 50, 250. Next 6x is equal to 6 into 50, 300. 200, 250, 300 is answer. So even anyhow you are going to write objective type examination, 4 options are given. Calculators are allowed. Just see, use calculator and you can verify options also without doing this. So in verification method also you can do this. 17. Question number 17. Sum of the ages of 3 persons is 150 years. 10 years ago their ages were in the ratio 10 years ago. 10 years ago ages are in the ratio ages are in the ratio 7:8:9. Okay, na? Present ages given, sum of the ages is equal to 150 years given. Present ages they asked. Try to understand this question. 10 years ago their ages are, I will take it as 7x, 8x, 9x. 10 years ago. What are their present age now? Present ages 7x plus 10, 8x plus 10, 9x plus 10. Understood or not? Present ages. Add these, sum of the ages is equal to what? 7x plus 8x, 15x, 15x plus 9x, 24x, plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. What is given sum of the ages? 150. 24x is equal, 24x is equal to 150 minus 30. What is it? 120. So x is equal to 120 by 24. How many times it will go? 5 times. So what are the present ages now? Here it is there, 7x plus 10. 7x plus 10 is what? Present ages. Present ages. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 10, 45. 8x none. 8 into 5, 40 plus 10, 50. 9x plus 10, 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 10, 55. 45, 50, 55 ages. So which option is correct? A. Option A correct. Understood or not? Shall we go to 18th question? Just I will show you 18th question. Read it once. The numbers 14, 16, 35, 42 are not in proportion. The fourth term for which they will be in proportion. We have to change fourth term. Okay, na? See here. The number 18. 14 is to 16 equal to 35 is to x, I say. Product of midterms is equal to what? Product of extreme terms. 14x is equal to 16 into 35. X is equal to what? 16 into 35 by 14. 7 2s are 7 5s are 2 1s are 2 8s are. So what should be the correct value? 40. But what is given there? 42. 42 is wrong. 40 is correct answer. Okay, ma? All must do. Though you know answer, you have to practice. Knowing answer is different. Getting answer within 50 seconds is different. Okay, even we can do the same problem in 5 minutes, 10 minutes also. Those students also, they will get answer. But that is not the correct output. You do each question at 5 minutes, at the rate of 5 minutes time. 100 questions, how much time you will take? 500 minutes. But in exam, how much time they will give? How much time they will give? 120 minutes. In 120 minutes, you have to fill the details. You have to read the question paper. Isn't it? First 20 minutes for reading and filling the details. For that purpose only will complete. Only 100 questions, 100 minutes. The questions like in mathematics or finance and other topics, some lengthy questions will be there. There you have to give little bit extra time. Wherever easy questions are there, try to complete even within 40 seconds only, not even 50 seconds. Wherever difficult questions are there, lengthy questions are there, at least you can allot this extra time there. for lengthy questions. All must do. Don't see answers. If you see answers, you won't get. You have to practice in your book. Next, question number 19. If x by y is equal to z by w, implies y by x is equal to w by z. This implies, what is this property? Just numerator denominator reversed. Invertendo. Answer, it is there or not? Not there. So what option is correct here? None of these. None of these is correct. Previous one, 18th, which option? B option correct. 18th one. So 19th, D option correct. What is it? Invertendo. Invertendo. Next one, P by Q equal to R by S. P by Q is equal to R by S is equal to P minus R by Q minus S. This process is called, any particular name is there for this? Subtrahendo. What is it? Subtrahendo. Subtrahendo. Option A is correct. 21. A plus A by B equal to A by B equal to C by D implies A plus B by A minus B equal to C plus D by C minus D. What is this process? What is this process? C and D, componendo and dividendo. So option C is correct. Option C correct. 22. Q by V is equal to W by P. That then U minus V by U plus V equal to W minus P by W plus P. This process is called invertendo. Is it correct? No. Alternando, is it correct? No. Addendo correct? No. What is last one? None of these. Actually, what happened? What they did here? First they applied componendo dividendo. Then again what they did? Invertendo did. Otherwise you can say like this also. First dividendo, then componendo. Right? This is actual D option. What you have to write? Dividendo and componendo. Reverse process. Dividendo and componendo. Dividendo and componendo. None of these is there. There you write it. Dividendo and componendo. 23. 12, 16, star, 20 are in proportion. Then star is equal to. Star, generally we will consider A, B, C, D in our examples. In star place you write C. A is to B. What does it mean? Product of midterms is equal to product of extreme terms or not? So 12 into 20 is equal to 16C. C is equal to what? 12 into 20 by 16. 4 4s are 4 3s are 4 1s are 4 5s are. So C is equal to what? 15. So which option is correct? Option C correct. Option C. Okay na? 24. Question number 24. 4, star, 9, 13, 1 by 2 are in proportion. Then star is. Star and the second one is, generally we will consider B. Product of extreme terms. What? Last term is what? Last term what is it? 27 by 2. 4 into 27 by 2 equal to B into 9. Can you cancel it? 9 ones are 9 threes are 2 ones are 2 twos are. So B is equal to what? B equal to 6. So option A correct. Option A correct. Question number 25. Mean proportional between 1.4 grams 1.4 grams and 5.6 grams. How will you write? Square root of 1.4 into 5.6 grams equal 1.4. How will you write? 14 by 10. 5.6. How will you write? 56 by 10. So 14. How will you write? 7 twos are. 56. How will you write? 7 eights are. So 7 square into 16 undi. 7 square into 4 square by 10 square. Right? This is 7 square into 4 square by 10 square under root grams. That is 7 into 4 by 10, 2.8 grams. Use calculator and find its value. Got it or not? Option B correct. Option B correct. The 26th question again repeated. 26th question, 9th question, both are similar problems. Directly give answer. A by 4 equal to B by 5 equal to C by 9. Then A plus B plus C by C equal to 4 plus 5 plus 9 by 9. 18 by 9 is equal to 2. Option B correct. 27. Question number 27. Two numbers are in the ratio A is to B. I will show the question here. This question I am explaining. Two numbers are in the ratio 3 is to 4. Let A is to B equal to 3 is to 4. If 6 be added to each number of the ratio, then the new ratio will be 4 is to 5. Ante A plus 6 by B plus 6 is equal to 4 by 5. From first one what we can write? A by B equal to 3 by 4. I will write on this whiteboard. A is to B, let A is to B equal to 3 is to 4. That means A by B equal to 3 by 4. First one. What is condition? Condition. If 6 be added to each number, A plus 6 by B plus 6, ratio will become 4 is to 5. That means 4 by 5. Cross multiply on second one. What you will get? Cross multiply. 5A plus 30 is equal to 4B plus 24. What does it implies? 5A minus 4B equal to what? 24 minus 30 minus 6. From first one what we can write? 4A is equal to 3B or not? Isn't it? So that can you write it as 4A minus 3B equal to 0? Huh? So first one is, equation 1 is what? 4A minus 3B equal to 0. This is equation 1. 5B minus 5A. 5A minus 4B equal to minus 6. Second one. So you have to solve these two. How can I solve? First one you multiply with anyone you can cancel. Either A or B. Which one you want to cancel? Shall we cancel B? So multiply first one with 4, second one with 3. What will happen? 16A minus 12B equal to 0. Second one, what will happen? 15A minus 12B equal to minus 18. Subtract 12B cancel. A is equal to what? 18. When A is equal to 18, what is B value from first one? From first one. From first one, B is equal to what? 4A by 3. So 4 into 18 by 3. 24 or not? Therefore, A is equal to 18, B is equal to 24. These are the answers. So option C is correct. If you understand, okay. Otherwise, I will explain once again. Shall I explain once again? Understood? My girls, understood all of you? Next, 28th question. The verification, this is a verification method only. A by 4 equal to B by 5. 4 options given. I will show the question here. A by 4 is equal to B by 5. Then, if you apply componendo dividendo, what you will get? C and D. A plus 4 by A minus 4 is equal to B plus, first one wrong kada? B plus 5 by B minus 5. So, which option is correct now? Option B is correct. Okay, this you need not to solve. Which property it is? Componendo and dividendo property, C and D property. Next one, 29, we will do here only. A is to B equal to 4 is to 1. Then square root of A by B plus square root of B by A. Substitute directly A value 4, B value 1. What you will get? 4 by 1 under root plus 1 by 4 under root. 2 plus 1 by 2. What is it? 5 by 2. 5 by 2. So option A correct. Coming to third one, here let us see this. 30, question number 30 we will see. What answer you are going to get? Let us observe. Here I did not write because if you apply C and D here, by C and D, here what we got? A plus 4 by A minus 4 equal to B plus 5 by B minus 5. Option B correct. 29 we did. 30 let us see. X by B plus C minus A. Y equal to C plus A minus B. Z by A plus B minus C. Okay. Let all values equal to, I will take it as Km. What is X value? B plus C minus A into K, right? Y is equal to what? B plus A minus B into K. Z is equal to what? A plus B minus C into K. What they asked in question? B minus C into X plus C minus A into Y plus A minus B into Z. You need not to substitute in all three. I will write it as it is a cyclic order, B minus C, C minus A minus B. That is why I will write it as summation of B minus C into X. Okay, na? This is summation of B minus C into, what is X value? B plus C minus A into K. B minus C into B plus C. What is it? Summation of B square minus C square. Okay, na? Next, B minus C into minus A. What you will get? Minus A into B. This is first one. Minus A minus of, I took minus common. A into B, AB, A into C, AC or CA, you know, AC, AB minus AC. Now expand this first one, cyclic order, if you expand this, B square minus C square, next one what we will get? B square minus A square, next one what we will get? A square minus B square, into K is also there, I will write K here, at the end I will write, you know. Here minus of AB plus AC is there. Here also you write order none. AB, first one if you take AB plus BC plus CA. Next one, here AC is there. AC, CA both are same or not? CA plus AB plus BC into K. All will get cancel or not? Minus, all will get cancel or not? Here plus symbol, the minus into minus plus, I took minus common, that is why here it must be minus. So that is why minus of minus it becomes plus. Plus CA minus CA cancel, AB cancel, BC BC cancel, minus B square plus B square, minus C square plus A square minus A square plus A square cancel. All will get cancel. 0 into K. What is the answer now? 0. Okay now? So here option 0 is there. Directly whenever cyclic order is there, so 0 is one of the option. You can consider that. Okay now? Here you can remember and write the answer. 0. Directly you will get it. So 30 questions completed. Exercise 1B completed. Okay.